What's good, y'all? Welcome back to Mana for the Soul. I'm Nilam.
I'm Ronica.
And I'm Amira.
And today we are making cheesy garlic bread. Let's get into it. So this garlic bread that we're about to make, not only is it super cheesy, but
it actually has a garlic confit.
Would you have any Grey Poupon?
Amira, can you break down all the ingredients we have here?
Okay, so we have mozzarella cheese, bay leaves, or you can use rosemary, pink Himalayan sea salt, olive oil, fresh garlic. We have a sofrito blend, Parmesan cheese, and parsley.
All right, this looks so good. We got all our ingredients. Oh, hold up. Where's the bread?
dun, 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 dun. Isn't it so pretty?
So pretty.
We're using our ciabatta baguettes. Okay, so we're gonna put our garlic in a glass bowl. Our bowl is kind of big, but that's okay. And then we're gonna take our olive oil, and I don't know exactly how much this is. What would you say?
That's a good cup. That's about a cup of
You just
oil.
wanna it should be coated over your garlic, basically. You could do this with so much garlic and like store it. So I'm just putting a few turns of salt.
She's doing a real ancestor seasoning right now. But we will put in the description measurements for you.
And then I'm just gonna put one bay leaf because bay leaf is so strong. Like, that's it. And we're gonna put this in the oven on 400 degrees and let it bake for like 15 minutes.
All right.
Okay, so we just took our garlic out the oven.
Smells good.
So
It's still gonna be good.
We're just gonna cut our bread.
And we got some flavor here, some butter on it. And we're actually using a bread knife. If you don't know, you don't want just a regular knife. Use a serrated knife so your bread does not get smashed.
Okay, so Veronica's just gonna butter the bread first.
Oh, yes.
I can't wait for this one.
Yes.
You don't have to overdo it with the butter because we already have this, and this is gonna give a lot of
Flavor.
moisture to the bread, but I just don't believe in not buttering bread, so.
Period.
Okay, next we gonna smash this on here. So you can
just
just
smash
scoop
it.
it on and then smash it in and spread it.
Okay.
It doesn't have to be perfect, just smashing it over is gonna put the flavor through.
Okay.
So yeah, just.
Can you pass me that one? And I like how you said like it's okay if the garlic is like nicely toasted, because it just adds more flavor.
I'm a well done girl anyway.
Right? It's just caramelized. Yeah, I love pieces of garlic. I just love eating garlic. And it's so good for you.
Period.
Yeah, perfect.
Smash those more.
Smash them.
Yeah. And then we're gonna put our parsley.
Okay. And sprinkle some on generously. Perfect. Oh, nice. So this looks delicious. What do we do next?
So we're gonna pop this in the oven for like 10 minutes until it gets crispy and done more, and then we can add our cheese to it and pop that back into the oven.
Oh my God, I'm excited.
Ready for this.
Go.
All right.
Ooh.
Got our bread out of the oven.
Nom 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 nom.
Looks really yummy.
That looks really good.
Okay, so we can add the cheeses.
Okay.
Oh, cool.
Mozzarella. And just
Yes.
spread it evenly over
Okay.
your bread.
Okay.
And actually, we shredded our mozzarella. We also shredded our Parmesan. And the reason why you want to shred it yourself is, first off, like there's less preservatives
And chemicals.
and chemicals. Like there is actually a chemical that goes on the cheese. It's called cellulose, to keep it from actually sticking to each other.
Right.
And if you don't know, cellulose is pretty much wood. Like you're eating wood.
We want Parmesan cheese, not Parmesan wood.
Right.
So.
And then comes what next? This Parmesan?
Parmesan.
On top of the. Okay.
Yep. May I cross over? Sorry. Sorry. There we go.
I feel like you don't need as much Parmesan
Yeah.
as mozzarella.
Right.
Parmesan's very salty too, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So then we're gonna put some sofrito on top, which is gonna add good flavor, and it's just gonna make it prettier.
Yeah. Garnish.
Sprinkle some on. Oh my God, that looks.
It looks like pizza.
It does. It looks so good. And so Fritos mix is actually a blend of different spices and herbs, and it also has some tomato. You see, I'm talking to my ancestors, obviously. And I'm just like, just keeping going.
Now it can go back into the oven for 5 to like 7 minutes. Keep a good eye on it so it doesn't burn.
Yeah. Oh my God.
It's hot. Period.
That looks so
Dang,
good.
Yeah.
I'm ready to get into this. So we gonna chop it up or what?
Which one do I want? Here, I'll put it on here. Ooh.
Oh, you get the crispy?
I love, yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
all right.
This looks
Well,
good.
she's gonna chop it, so.
Okay.
Yeah, so we all share, so. Oh my God.
See, that crunch is giving what I needed to
Right?
have.
And it smells ridiculous. Like, oh my God.
I'm sorry.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. Mmm. All right.
Oh, wow.
Too hot.
Oh my God.
Garlic.
It's really good. It's like perfect amount of crunch.
Oh my God.
See,
I'm not mad at the garlic.
I was about to say, you might want to overcook your garlic. So,
It's so good. You know what? It's like a new dish. Did we just create something new?
Could we burn it?
Like it's crispy garlic cheese bread. Oh my God, I never had crispy garlic cheese bread. It's gonna be like on a restaurant menu. And like it's giving the perfect amount of salt.
Wait, I'm sorry. Imagine this with some pasta.
Stop. Stop. Like this right here is an appetizer. Crazy good. Delicious.
Marvelous.
Period.
Delicioso.
Delicioso.
Please, you guys, like, comment, and subscribe to our video. Check out our shorts. And yeah, tell your friends.
Good food.